Hi guys, welcome back to the First Place Auto Parts Shop. My name is David, and today in the shop we have Grille emblems from trim parts for the 83 to 88 Chevrolet square body pickup trucks. Now, restoring a pickup truck is a fairly new phenomenon. Up until the last couple of years, we probably used these things as trucks, meaning that we used them on Home Depot runs on the weekend to pick up lumber for our latest project. Or maybe we threw a mower in the back of the bed and took it to Grandma's house and mowed her grass for her. But what you're starting to find now is the popularity of trucks is on the rise. You're starting to see more trucks at car shows. You're starting to see them at auctions. The values are increasing, and they made a ton of them. So restoring a pickup truck is starting to make perfect sense for a lot of people. The good news in the rise of popularity for these pickup trucks is that restoration companies such as Trim Parts, which is traditionally make high-quality restoration parts for things like Chevelles and Camaros and Novas, has started to turn their attention to making quality restoration parts for the Chevrolet square body pickup trucks. The one emblem on any vehicle that takes a real beating is going to be the Grille emblem. The Grille emblem, day in and day out, gets exposed to sunlight, rain, rock chips, bugs, and it's placed in front of a radiator that continually supplies a steady stream of heat, whether it's winter or summer. So essentially the Grille emblem is the nose of your vehicle, and it just gets beat up over time. The Grille emblem on our 87 shop truck is no different. It's aged, it's cracked, it's hazed, and it's lost that gold appearance that the original bow tie had on it when it was new. The first thing we notice right away is how well packaged the Trim Parts products are. Unlike a lot of other manufacturers who simply drop their products in cardboard boxes, free to rattle around inside and be damaged in transit, the Trim Parts products are individually packaged inside a protective plastic pouch, heat sealed at the top, meant to reduce risk of damage. Part number 9606, which is manufactured for the Chevrolet square body trucks that had the single headlight option, is exactly how GM produced it back in the day, with the correct gold brush finish and the black surround. Also, take a look at how sharp the edges and the details are on this emblem. It's going to fit exactly in the insert on the center of the bar of the grille, just like it did originally. Now let's take a look at part number 9607, the bow tie emblem design for the trucks that had the quad headlight setup. This is a beautiful piece, and I wish our shop truck had the quad headlight setup just so I could put this part on it. It's a die-cast piece that has triple chrome-plated outer edges, the correct gold brush finish in the center, and painted, not stripes, not plastic decals, but hand-painted black surround in between the chrome and the gold brush finish. Trim Parts has also included the spacers that go out on the edge of the emblem that allow for proper spacing. These pieces typically got hard and cracked, possibly are missing from your original ones, but they were supposed to be there. So Trim Parts has thoughtfully included these with the emblem. Both of these emblems are very high quality and will be sure to add to any truck they put them on, whether it's a truck that has patina or it's a full-on restoration. These are the parts you want to put on the front grille of your truck. Well, there you go. These parts are absolutely stunning and are designed exactly as GM produced them back in the day. To find more restoration and performance parts like these, simply go to First Place Auto Parts by typing in FP Auto Parts into your search engine. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, where we will continually add new product review videos and product installation videos, which may be of value to you when it comes time to making decisions on what parts you buy for your project. Thanks for watching. Keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.